Yo, what's going on, you guys? It is CJ Brand, and we are back once again with a brand new tech unboxing video for you guys here today. Now, today's product is going to be a total different product I've ever unboxed on this channel before. This right here is going to be the Uineer 59-degree ergonomical mouse, right? Now, I'm a person where I really didn't trip about, purchasing a brand new mouse for a very long time because, I have a MacBook. The trackpad feels excellent to me, but mainly I really had the Logitech G502 mouse, which was one of the best mouses and probably still is one of the best mouses that people were buying today for gaming purposes, right? But recently I've switched, not even recently, I've been doing content creation probably for like the past 5 or 6 years now, and your boy hands kind of hurt, right? From all the typing, all the writing, all the studying that I'm doing for schoolwork, and even just holding my camera, my hand starts to hurt, over time, right? And I just needed something different. So thankfully, Uineer went ahead and reached out, and they went ahead and said, hey, we got an ergonomical mouse for you. And I was like, dog, let's do it right now, right? So let's go and get this thing unboxed, because personally, I've been using it already for the past, I want to say maybe a week or two, and honestly, I can see a lot of changes. But let's go and get to the unboxing right now, right? Now, inside this box right here, it only comes with 3 different things, which I'm thankful for, because it's just an easier, consumption for me personally, right? I just want to get to the product and go ahead and begin using it. Now, inside this box right here, we do have our documentation, which of course, this right here is going to show us how to actually get the device connected, how to actually, turn the device on, but then also on top of that, what this mouse is going to bring for the user itself. And then, of course, we do have our actual mouse inside of here, but most importantly, we do have our USB-C charging cable inside the box as well. Now let's go and switch gears back over to the mouse, right? Now this mouse right here is going to be a 59-degree ergonomical mouse, so therefore it's not going to be a mouse that just sits flat on the table at all. It has a degree angle to it, which I love it, like I said, because think about it, right? If your hand is constantly sitting down on the mouse, constantly all day, like I said, from the content creation, the editing, the scrolling, all that fun stuff, bro, your hand is going to start hurting. You guys probably already feel it, probably cracking your knuckles. You're probably at home crying the whole time, man. It got so deep for me one day, I can't even lie, bro. I legit have to go ahead and grab me a straight hot rag just to go ahead and wrap around my hand because, bro, it was that bad. But like literally without glazing, I went ahead and swapped over to the mouse itself, and I mean, hey, my hand cramping has really stopped drastically. And also on top of that, the mouse just feels very smooth in my hand, right? At first I was very like, ugh, this is different, it's a mouse that's tilted to the side, but whole time it really feels natural because it's like your hand naturally rests, once you grab it and everything. You got your right and your left clickers, you got your scroll wheel right there. Nothing feels too off, and even the posture that it holds in your hand, bro, it is legit feeling great. Now, if we're going to take a look at the bottom of this mouse right here, we do got a couple of little small things on here. One, of course, is going to be the sensor for the actual mouse itself. Just basically saying like, bro, you got to have me on some type of surface so I can go ahead and move around. But then you do also have your on and off switch. But then if you guys look at the very top, we do have 3 different modes of Bluetooth connections. We do got Bluetooth 5.0, 4.0, and then also on top of that, this thing does come with a dongle itself. So therefore, if you want to plug it directly into your computer for faster connectivity, it does have 2.4 gigahertz of connection like that. Switching from the bottom of the mouse, let's go and look to the left side of the mouse. On these 2 buttons right here, these right here are just pretty much going to be your forward and backward buttons. But then let's go to the main side of the mouse, right? Now this mouse right here does offer 4 different levels of DPI leveling. You just got to click this button right here. You can get ranges from like 800 to 2400, which I think that's very great, because who really likes to have a slow mouse scrolling on the screen? Not me at all. Now, one cool thing I do like about this mouse as well is it does have a battery indicator light on here as well. That's something that a lot of mouses, in my opinion, they really lack, like especially on the one that I currently use right now. It doesn't have an indicator at all, so I just have to literally either one, go to my Bluetooth settings and guess, or just FAFO, right? You can be scrolling all day. You can even take it outside, bro, and next thing you know, your freaking mouse is dead. But not on this mouse at all, because it has that indicator right then and there for you. So now being able to edit content, without having to worry about the cramping, I'm able to do a lot more work, honestly. And y'all probably think I'm just joking. bro, when I tell y'all this thing is straight great, bro, it is straight great, man. But let me know, would you guys really go ahead and purchase you guys a 59-degree, you know, ergonomical mouse, or would you guys keep the same little fancy mouses that you guys currently use? Let me know down below in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next unboxing video. Peace.